territory filter. If we're talking about the salespeople that are working in the field, so and you need to visit your clients, or like me, I travel a lot, and I've already met with people in Colombia, in the United States, and in Italy while I was in vacation. But that's just me. But if you need to close the deals and visit the clients, you can also create that filter in your CRM. And then if you're going on a trip, you can just filter them out and then understand, okay, so these people I need to follow up right now, or call them or email them, and then set up a meeting.
Next is the territory. This is what Nastya mentioned, and this is what she tends to do all the time when she travels and makes her entire team jealous. Hi, Nastya. This is the territory filter. Again, in NetHunt, we have the possibility, I'll show you that on some random record, how that looks. So we have the possibility of adding a country. It's right here. There are all of the countries, and you can search by code. So this can super easily, this is something that's already in NetHunt, right? So you can pretty much just go ahead and use it. If you need something different, something more specific, like I created for the city, or for the region, or you can do it like a label or something. If you would like to do that by territory, by the part of the world, you can just again add that yourself and also filter out based on that info. So let's do our filtering and find our clients from a certain country. So we're just looking for the country field, and we will do France, because everybody wants to go to Paris, Fashion Week. I love it. Have been there, would like to return sometime. Okay, so there it is. These are our clients by France. And now we can also do a nice card view by manager, by status, by name, by priority, by anything. Anything that will give you a nice info. So we can do by status, and we can save it. You can also do the same by country. So if, for example, we're pulling just your clients from France, we do this. Another option, you can delete this one, we can do a card view by this field. So if we just want to have a nice representations of all of the countries that we have, that we're in contact with. So then we do card view by country. And this is our card view by, well, I only have France here now. Sorry, that's filtered out. Card view by country. Yeah, it's not just France. Okay. So it's all of our countries. Again, we do our customization if we want to make it medium or bigger or smaller, or add some more info. And there it is. We saved this view. So it's our country view, and let's make it available for everybody to see. So there we have it. Here at the top, you can navigate between, you can navigate all of your views, and it's also available here in the sidebar. You can do that. So that's it. We have our country view there.